Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Dr. Yahya Noori with the new lesson of Tajweed. And today we are going to talk about Noon Sakin, Meem Sakin, and Tanveen. So, when we talk about Noon Sakin and Tanveen, there are four basic rules. These rules govern how to pronounce them when they are followed by different letters. The four rules are Izhar, when we pronounce it clearly, then Ikhfa, when you pronounce it with a nasal sound and a hidden sound, idgham, when you merge it, and iqlab, when you convert the sound. Now let's discuss them in detail. Izhar means to pronounce the noon sakin and tanween very clearly without the nasalization, or gunna as we call it. So this happens when noon sakin or tanween is followed by one of the six throat letters, or hurufu halqiyya, ha hamza, ain ha, ghain kha. For example, would be min ilmin, min hadin, and min khairin. Now you can think of it as a very clear break between the noon or the tanween sound and the next letter. There is no blending, no nasal sound. Then the second case, ikhfa, when you conceal the sound or nasalize it. It actually means that you're pronouncing it in a hidden way somewhere between the clear sound and a merged sound. Ikhfa occurs when Noon Sakin or Tanween is followed by one of the 15 letters of Ikhfa. Ta, Tha, Jim, Dal, Dal, Za, Sin, Sheen, Swad, Dwad, Ta, Za, Fa, Qaf, and Kaf. So the examples would be Min Thamaratin, Faman Tabi'a. So actually, the noon or tanween is hidden or softened into the next letter with a hum-like nasal sound, uh, like this. The third case is idgham, where you merge it. So you merge the nasal sound or the noon sakin or tanween into the next letter. It occurs when these are followed by one of the six letters in the group which is known as yarmalun. So it's very clear from the name. It's Ya, Ra, Meem, Lam, Waw, Noon combined to form the acronym Yarmalun. Now there are two types of idgham. One is with gunna, which is the nasal sound, and that is with yanmu, Ya, Noon, Meem, Waw, Min Walidin, and the Lam and Ra are without gunna. Mir Rabbihim. The fourth case is iqlab. Iqlab means changing the noon sakin or tanween into meme. It happens when it is followed by a ba. It is pronounced with a gunna and lips come together like a meme. Mim ba'di, mim baini. You don't say a noon, you convert it into a nasal meme. Now we are going to talk about the rules for meme sakin. There are three rules regarding meme sakin. One is known as idghamu shafwiyun, which is merging with gunna. If a meme sakin is followed by another meme, we do idgham with gunna. Fahum muqmahun. Then we can do an ikhfa'u shafawiyun, which is a concealment with gunna. If meme sakin is followed by a ba, we do ikhfa with gunna. Tarmihim bihijaratin. Then we have izharu shafawiyun, that is clear pronunciation. If meme sakin is followed by any letter other than meme or ba, we do izhar, which is a clear meme without nasal merging. Alam tara kaifa. So these were the rules of noon sakin, meme sakin, and tanween, and I hope they won't be much difficult for you. And with a little bit of practice, you can easily get a hold of them and apply them in your recitations. I'll see you again, inshallah. Jazakumullahu khairan kathira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.